We've got an earnings alert. Shares of Oracle volatile after hours. That earnings call wrapping up just now. It is now down about 4%. Josh Lipton's in San Francisco to tell us what the CEO had to say about the quarter. Hey, Josh.
So, Melissa, Larry Ellison on the call, calling out a big cloud rival. Take a listen.
Our infrastructure technology is highly differentiated from AWS. Each one of our cloud computers has a separate security processor and memory to insulate customers from intruding upon each other. And it also makes our cloud control code inaccessible by customers. No other cloud services provider offers this kind of protection across their entire public cloud.
So you hear Mr. Ellison there trying to sound this bullish tone, but, we started the call, Melissa, we were roughly flat, and now you can see we're going lower. CEO Safra Catz, in terms of Q4 revenue growth, she said to expect 0 to -2% in U.S. dollars. I was just going back and forth with Steve Koenig from Wedbush, who covers the name, and he does say that was not as good as some had hoped for. In terms of EPS, Safra Catz saying to expect 105 to 109 again in USD. Mark Hurd talking about a good solid quarter, the quality of bookings. He rattled off some key customer wins, talked about a growing relationship they have with Gap, but again, you can see the stock heading lower. And we'll end here on Adobe, also heading lower in the after hours. Did report 171 on $2.6 billion. Analysts have been looking for 162 on $2.55 billion, but that company did issue weak guidance. Melissa, back to you.
All right. Thank you very much, Josh Lipton. Dan, I know you like software names.
Well, here's the thing. When you have a stock that's outperformed the broad market, like Oracle and Adobe for that matter, in 2019 and off the lows from December, what are you expecting into a print like this? So they put up a good result and they got it down a little bit. So, Oracle trading about 14.5 times next year's expected earnings growth of low single digits and sales growth in the mid to high single digits seems cheap to me, especially the way they've been buying back stock. So if you see this thing materially below 50 tomorrow, I think you buy it.
And Oracle up 18% year to date, right? So it's had this great run that you're talking about. I love the fact that Ellison's talking about what a differentiator they are in the cloud space versus everybody else, specifically AWS. He seemed like an attack dog. Seemed like Larry Ellison was the old guy who really wants to get after things once again. I think that's a good sign. Now, guidance being a little bit weaker, that's a little bit puzzling to me, but I think this is a name, to Dan's point, on a pullback, you get around 50, I think it's a great buy.